Hello, this is Original Afrocentric Design by Lisa, and this is my 2022 year in review and my Make 9 for 2023. My Make 9 for 2022 includes crowns, collars, lanyards, badge holders, jackets, pencil skirt, trousers, and shorts. Guess how many I completed? Okay, the X's are for the ones I did not complete. I made crowns, a collar, and some shorts. I wanted to use the Afrocentric fabric I already had in my stash and combine them to make sets. So for the crowns, I made a crown for Minister Imai and used the pattern prints for additional crowns for Imai, Ericka, myself, and others on request. Please check out the link to my most loved pattern. Next on the list for things I did complete in 2022 was my web collar. I did make one for a friend. I had been wanting to make something for this friend for a number of years. His birthday is in December, and I was happy to make him a web collar prototype. We got together to surprise him for his birthday, and we had a lot of fun, and I really do think he enjoyed the collar. The final item that I completed on my Make 9 for 2022 was shorts. I actually called them skirts. I went on a cruise to Cabo, Mexico, and I made a crown, a t-shirt, and a skirt set. Here we are on the cruise enjoying it. This is my friend Carolyn. We have been friends for years. Look at that skirt set. It's really comfortable. It's perfect for a cruise or any summertime activities. And then with my own original Afrocentric design t-shirt with the padded sleeves, I'm gonna have to work on that, but that was a lot of fun. And I enjoyed the self-promotion. There's Imai Ericka. I also made that scarf for her. So there we are enjoying ourselves in Cabo. Here is the other skirt set that I made. I made a halter top to go with it. And the top of the halter has these cowrie shells. I had a cowrie shell necklace with some of the shells that came off, but I pieced it back together and attached it to the halter top to make a really fun looking set. Continuing on with my 2022 makes, I completed several belts that went with the pants that I had made from the previous year. And for some reason, I made the belts on the cross grain, trying to be a little different. And it was good. I liked it. But I think I'm going to make another belt on the actual grain so that the belt kind of lines up with the pattern at the top of the pants. I think I might like that look a little better. The next few items were not on the Make 9 for 2022 list, but they were items that I did make in 2022. Let's start off with this mini vest that I made. Okay, by now you guys know that I love making printed sets. And these colors, these are the African colors, the oranges and yellows, blues and greens and that red in there. But I love this particular print, and I think by now I've used it all up. I mean, I've made chef hats, aprons, clothes for the little baby doll, and the final thing that I made was this little mini vest. And I really am crazy about this. Ericka wears it very well. Next up, we have the OAD Miss Erricka Don't Play That t-shirts. I make the transfers, iron them on the t-shirts. Voila, t-shirts for everyone. And finally, at Miss Ericka's insistence, I finally did make my first mock-up corset. I've been wanting to make this corset for Miss Ericka for years, but finally I got up the nerve, and with her insistence, I made it, and I think it turned out very nice. Okay, this brings us up to date with the Make 9 for 2023. I want to continue to make the crowns and the web collars. I want to finish my blue jean pencil skirt. And I want to make some loungewear, like robes and pajama sets or rompers. And I want to make a jumpsuit. Also, I want to continue to make shirts for the silhouette that I like. And I want to make a shirt dress. And I want to make a crossbody bag. I already have the webbing and everything that I need. So I want to start making the crossbody bags. And finally, I want to make lanyards and badge holders. And that should do it for my Make 9 for 2023. Thank you all. Have a great day. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you soon. Have a nice day.